This sketch documents an earthflow encroaching on a farm in the vicinity of Patterson, California. In general, it's a good idea to simplify or remove surface topography in our sketches, but sometimes relief is an important part of the story that you're trying to communicate. This is a good example of one such situation. The earthflow at the center of this image is creeping down the valley between the ridge in the background and the low-lying hills in the foreground. In this sketch, I will begin by quickly framing in my upper and lower limits, and then use the barn to rough in a 25-meter scale bar. I will then draw in the earthflow and use simple lines to capture its hummocky topography. I will then add some trees and fences, and use simple lines to illustrate the ridges behind the earthflow and a few bunches of grass and fences in the foreground. Finally, I'll add some annotations, half arrows showing the movement of the earthflow, and my compass directions before writing my caption.